is the world's largest democracy with a 1.3 billion population. It is also the world's second largest country after China's 1.4 billion population. When many cultures were only nomadic forest dwellers over 5,000 years ago, Indians established Harappan culture in Sindhu Valley. The name India is derived from the river Indus, the valleys around which were the home of the early settlers. The Aryan worshippers referred to the river Indu as Sindhu.
Indian culture is a unique mixture of Eastern values and Western freedom. It is quite confusing if you are new to the land.
Indian culture is the heritage of social norms, ethical values, traditional costumes, belief systems, political systems, artifacts, and technologies.
In the Hindu calendar, there are 6 seasons or ritus. Vasant Ritu, it means spring. Grishma Ritu, it means summer. Varsha Ritu, it means monsoon. Sharad Ritu, it means autumn. Hemant Ritu, it means pre-winter. And Shishir or Shita Ritu, it means winter.
India has 2 million gods and worships them all. In religion, all other countries are paupers. India is the only millionaire.
Chess was invented in India. Algebra, trigonometry, and calculus are studies which originated in India. The place value system and the decimal system were developed in India in 100 BC.
Martial arts were first created in India and later spread to Asia by Buddhist missionaries.
Yoga has its origins in India and has existed for over 5,000 years.
In 2022, India plans to launch its first manned space mission. The Indian government announced it will allocate $1.4 billion for the project.
From the 4th century BC, for around 1000 years, India was the only source of diamonds in the world. The original diamonds were found in the Krishna River Delta.
There are more than 19,500 languages spoken in India as mother tongues. The country is one of the most diverse cultures on the planet, with various regions corresponding to different languages and customs.
The first Asian woman to win the Miss World competition is from India. Rita Faria Powell, born in 1943 in Mumbai, is a model and doctor and won the beauty title in 1966. Not all of India's famous monuments are religious. The jaw-dropping bridge spanning the Chenab River in Jammu is 1,178 feet above the water. Meghalaya village has won the Guinness World Record title for the wettest place on earth, with about 11,873 milliliters of rain annually. The monsoon season lasts 6 months, so make sure you pack up an umbrella.
Calcutta is the only city I know where you were actively encouraged to stop strangers at random for a quick chat.
I am proud to be an Indian because I know what I represent. I am proud to be an Indian because I have the freedom to speak, write, and protest against evil doings. We have the right to stand up and fight when we see human cruelty. India is a country where people respect elders.
Life in India can be joyous, tough, colorful, stressful, but never boring. You must have heard numerous times that India is one of those countries you can love and hate at the same time.
I love my India. Vande Mataram.
I love my India. Vande Mataram.